I'm Jeremy Tyler. I'm from San Diego, California, and I play the power forward. Well, foregoing my senior year of high school basketball and going over to Israel and playing, basically substituting my senior year for my rookie year of overseas basketball. The next season played in Tokyo, which will be my freshman year of college. Two very, very interesting years for me. Great development. I had a lot of learning experiences. I learned a lot, seen a lot of things, and I had a good time. The reason why I skipped, I felt like it was the best decision that I could have made, for myself. I can't really speak for everyone else. I thought that was the best way for me to get to my best potential. It was still like the best decision I could have ever made. And for the player I am now, then, when I left for what I thought I would be in college, I feel like I'm a little better now. Israel, was my first year. And it was definitely going to be a learning experience. I knew that before I got there. I knew it was not going to be easy. It's going to be hard, and it was a lot of expectations. And and I was still developing as a basketball player. And once I got there, getting adjusted to the city, getting adjusted to the people and the language and the food and everything, kind of took longer than expected for me. Everything, it didn't work out the way I planned it, but I took everything positive, like everything that happened, I'm glad it happened that year, and all the hard times, I took it in, I learned from it, I soaked it up like a sponge, and I told myself, I said, well, the next year and the years after that, I'm gonna grow every single year. Who I like to model my game after, most of my game is Amar'e Stoudemire, with his aggressiveness and the way he approached the game and his emotion and everything, that's kind of compatible to me. I feel like I can come in and, and be a positive impact. If it's doing, whatever the coach wants to do, or, just kind of showing them everything I got, and, definitely be a positive teammate to the rest of my guys. And, draft night is it's still like a dream, and, hopefully when that day comes, my dream come true.